Hello friends, welcome to the toothscorner.com videos. Do eating raw oats work for weight loss? Today let us see the benefits of consuming raw oats. How is it good to lose weight with a healthy recipe? Let us begin. Oats form the most versatile grain that is popular worldwide, and you may eat them raw too, as it has many health benefits. Raw oats are safe and nutritious to eat. They contain high quantity of soluble fiber known as beta-glucan. As a result, they help in weight loss and to control blood sugar and cholesterol. It is also good for the heart and gut health. But you have to soak them first to make it soft to enhance digestibility and nutrient absorption. Now let us see the benefits of eating raw oats. It contains fiber, calories, carbs, protein, fat and various minerals that increases its nutritive value. The soluble fiber and high quality protein in oats makes the grain much superior compared to other grains. Oats contain beta-glucan that helps in reducing blood cholesterol by 10%. Consuming oats is of vital importance for people suffering with type 2 diabetes. Moreover, regular consumption of oats help in reducing blood pressure, thus protecting your heart. Also, eating oats keeps your gut healthy and prevents constipation. Now let us see how raw oats are good for weight loss. If you are consuming raw oats, there are fewer chances of being obese and weight gain. The simple reason is that oats are rich in soluble fiber that keeps you fuller for longer. The stomach fills faster when you are eating less compared to other breakfast cereals. Thus, eating raw oats helps to promote weight loss. Now let us prepare a no-cook overnight rolled oats. Please note down the ingredients. You need unsweetened almond milk ½ cup, rolled oats 1/4 cup, natural peanut butter 1 tablespoon, chia seeds 2 teaspoons, honey 2 teaspoons optional, cinnamon powder 1/8 teaspoon and green or red grapes ½ cup chopped. Note down the method. Mix all the ingredients in a jar. Close the lid and refrigerate overnight. Take out and use the next day. I hope you liked the information on raw oats and would love to prepare the no flame oats recipe to lose weight and remain healthy. Thank you.